Hello everybody, and welcome back to another exciting hotel room tour from your favorite traveling channel. Not going to be a lot to this one because there's not a lot to the room, which is not necessarily bad. So anyway, this is the Motel 6 in Kansas City. There's more than one. It's called like Motel 6 Kansas City Airport. So if you see one that's called that, this is that one. So anyway, you walk in the door here. There's a few spots there that could use some TLC. Anyway, you walk in here. There's like, what do you call this? Like the desk shelf area, desk thing that the guy going on. Anyway, that. A big desk over here with a TV on it and a chair, which puts it kind of close to the TV, but I don't think you're going to use that chair for watching TV. You're probably going to use the bed for watching TV and the chair for like writing or working. To your left here, there's a table, got some stuff on it there. To the other side of the bed is a nightstand with a landline, the good book, some lights there. And while we're at it, let's check out the view. Got a nice view of a theater across the street. I will say there are some pretty good options as far as eating goes. Like right here, like there's a McDonald's and an Arby's and a Popeyes all within walking distance. I've actually been there a couple times already. There's the heating and air conditioning unit, which I haven't really needed to use because it's been like 70 degrees. There's the bed. Obviously, I spent a couple nights in it, and it was fine. Better than fine. It was comfortable. There's the TV. A mirror with your favorite content creator. Also, you'll notice there are no outlets by where the bed is, which is a little inconvenient. But there's plenty back here. So, I mean, it's manageable, but by the bed would have been nice. Onto the closet area. There's some hangers there, luggage rack. Onto the bathroom. Toilet, towels. Now, these were hung up over there. Obviously, they weren't like that when they were first here. Like I said, I've been here for a couple days already. When I first came in, it was obviously presented the way it should. Got your favorite content creator there. And here's the shower, which is actually pretty nice. However, I do wish the shower head was on that side instead of there. Because, like, you walk in and it's like it's a side that's facing the floor. It's like, I don't know, but like I said, it's still manageable, but a little inconvenient. And like I said before, at other hotel room reviews, Motel 6 tends to be pretty small and simple. Also very affordable, which is why people probably are going to choose it most of the time. So yeah, my overall opinion is Oh, and the reason I'm staying here is because it's by the convention center. the Kansas City Convention Center. Although it's still about 10 miles away, which is a little bit of a drive, but it's not too bad, especially considering the price. So yeah, that's the reason I'm staying here right now. And you'll see convention footage on this channel here in a minute. So my overall opinion on this hotel is it's pretty small and simple, and it's also competent. Yeah. If you're traveling solo and want to save money, or if you're traveling with somebody else, if you just want to save money in general, then I would give it a recommendation. But just know that it is going to be 10 miles away, which isn't too bad, but could be closer. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.